Hello, this is Wendy Lloyd Curley, and I'm going to do some training on the replacement order form. The replacement order form can be found in your starter kit. It comes in packs of 10, and when you need more, you can purchase more from your consultant literature. Each piece is numbered so that PartyLite can track the replacement order form correctly, and these can be used when items are damaged on delivery, defective, if the wrong item was delivered, if something was missing from the order, other, not sure, refund, people can always change their mind and ask for their money back, damaged in use, or if someone just decides that they want to exchange their items for something else. These are all valid reasons to use a replacement order form and should be considered when you're filling in the forms. What you want to do is you want to fill in your consultant name, the date of the show, your ID number, and the original show order number from the original delivery. You want to have it delivered either to the host or directly to the guest. Either one is satisfactory. Enter the items that you're ordering. These are the new items that you want to be sent out. And then enter the items that are being returned. These items need to be returned to your unit leader within the next business month before, and if you can't get to your next unit meeting, you need to make sure they get back to the unit leader. But you're going to enter the items being returned. You're going to total the order of products being ordered, and you're going to total the order of products being returned. When you subtract A from B, you're going to get the total amount due. Hopefully that's nothing, but if it is, if they have ordered more than what they're returning, they can pay for it here. You will not get that as compensatable sales, so it's not suggested that you order a lot of extra product on a replacement order form. The postage and packing fee can be waived if the problem is PartyLite's fault, but only one time per order, so make sure that you actually take care of all replacements all at once so that you don't pay that $9 fee. The total amount due is this total plus this if applicable, and then the payment amount. The payment amount can be paid over here by Visa, MasterCard, check, direct debit, which is your consultant account, or your EFT transfer. And if you pay this way, please make sure you have a copy of the banking receipt to PartyLite's bank account. I suggest that even if you're paying by direct debit, that you date the credit card down here so that you know when you sent the replacement order form into PartyLite. You're going to fax this form into this number right here, 9678-9077, or you can post it to this address here. Those are the only two ways that you can get the form into PartyLite at the current point in time. I hope that this has given you a really good overview of what a replacement order form is and how to use it. And thanks very much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.